Hey guys, what's up? It's Luis, me again, back again at another video. This is my third video today, and today I'm going to be showing you guys about while loops and for loops. And maybe if we have, actually, I'm going to be showing you guys while loops, for loops, but first I gotta show you guys about lists slash arrays, same thing, I think. And actually, they're not the same thing, but you get the point. Um, a list is let's see, let my list is equal to, you declare a list to be like that. And what does a list do, you might ask? A list can contain multiple values at once. So you can have this, you can have this, you can have this, you can have this, you can have um um my name in here. You can have whatever you want. Um, Yeah, let me just space it out. I have it gives me a little bit of an OCD. OCD. But yeah, so the way you declare, the way this is stored, um it's stored in an index. So this is the index of 0, and this is the index of 1, this is the index of 2, 3, and 4. So it doesn't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you ever just want to just access, like, for example, um the second uh part, like the second index of the list, through my list, and then brackets 2, or no, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Brain fart, I'm sorry. And now if I go back to the website, um and I refresh, I'll get 2. And if I want to get my name, it'll be 4. God dang it. There we go. And if I want to get the first one, it'll be 0. So remember that. So, because sometimes you'll be like, hey, why isn't this working? And it's because you have it a little bit inverted. So just remember, it goes 0, then it goes 1, then it goes 2, then 3, then 4, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now, now that we have that, I'm going to show you while loops. Now, what is a while loop, you may ask? A while loop is a true or false statement inside here, kind of like an if statement, except it's it doesn't go once. It goes, while this statement right here that I'm about to put in is true, it'll keep on doing the same thing over and over. So remember, it's the same as an if statement, except it does it over and over and over until the thing is false. So for example, I can do while uh, let's see, let's do this. Let's create a count. For now, I'm just trying to show something. And while count is, and while my list count. So basically what this is saying, this might look a little bit confusing right now, but basically what this is saying is, if the index of count inside the my list is something, because if I do this, for example, let me just so that I can leave this empty for now. For example, if I do console.log my list of 5, right? Guess what? There's not a fifth index. It goes all the way up to 4. So if I go back and I refresh, it'll say undefined. So basically what this is saying is, while it doesn't run out of spaces, so while it doesn't return undefined, it'll keep going. So we'll do this. We'll do console.log my list count. I'll just copy that if I won't be goofy, and then I'll do count plus plus. Now what this does, it just adds on 1 to count. So now on the next time it'll be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. You can do the exact same thing. Going backwards, you can do minus minus, but right now we want to do plus plus. So now here, what's going on? Okay. Okay. Whatever. Let's open in. Okay, my bad guys, my bad. Open in default browser, open in default browser. There it is. I'm a little bit blind. Inspect console. There we go. Perfect. We have this. A234 Luis. Just like that. And now, okay, whatever. Goofy me. If I add something else, for example, my favorite food, now it'll be pizza as well. Now, I did this, there we go. Perfect. Now, you can also do it different way. It doesn't have to be this way. You can also have a for loop. Now, for loops are pretty cool. Um, there can be two ways of using the for loop. So, first of all, the for loop creates a variable inside of it. Like, if I do for, I'm gonna have to do three different things, like three different lines inside of these parentheses. So I'm gonna have to first create a variable. So for example, let I is equal to 0. I is equal to index. I always do that. I always do I is index. So it's my force of habit. I've been doing it ever since I've been programming. And then you separate it by semicolon. So first you declare a variable. Then you can do after that you do the true, like the statement where it'll keep going until it's false, which for example, I is less than my list dot length, and the my list dot length on this one it'll return 1 2 3 4 5 6. You know, this one doesn't go from 0 1 2. This one goes 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it'll say 6. So while it's less than that, it'll say that, and it'll then on the next one you'll add on 1 to I every single time. And now in here you can do console.log console.log my list I, and now it'll do the exact same thing we have here. So now we'll have double this. It'll say, there we go, A2345 Luis Pizza, A234 Luis Pizza. Perfect. Now there's another way you can do this where you look through the array. And keep in mind, you don't have to do like an array inside the for loop. It's just for now. I'll teach you other ways to manipulate through the lists later on. That's a little bit more advanced. I'll show you that later. That'll be for like for each and map and reduce and filter. But for now, we're just gonna keep it this way. Now we can also do for let I, if I remember correctly, or is it for my list? I'm pretty sure. I don't think I remember. Is it? I don't remember. Okay. Now, I'm gonna cut the video really quick and I'm going to go back because I normally don't do this. Some people do, and that's why I want to show you guys. But I need a little refresher. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. Yeah, I was a little goofed up here. Here, uh, your best friend can also be W3 Schools if you ever need any help. You can also look up in here. This is what I was looking for. I accidentally messed up. I goofed up a little bit. I thought it was this in, but I thought that was only on Python for a minute. So that's what I thought of it. I am sorry I goofed up. But yeah, so we can do for let I in my list my keyboard can just goof up, and they can do here console.log I. And if I remember correctly, if this will save, this will be the index. Okay. And then you can just do my list of I. And bada boom, bada beam. What? Debugging really quick. I don't have, oh, it didn't save. My bad, guys. My bad. It didn't save. There we go. A234 Luis Pizza. This is a little bit of a clusterphobic video because I messed up. I am sorry. I am a human. I am sorry. That's on me. That's on me. You know. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. And I'm sorry I goofed up a little bit. Oh, one more thing before I go. You don't have to do this. Like you can, you can remove this and just keep the semicolon and then just declare, we can just, instead of doing that, we can do, you know, let I in here. Let's just delete this so, it doesn't, goof up on my code. Boom. And this will also work if, I don't click X on my thing. Let's go here. There we go. Inspect console. Boom. A234 Luis Pizza. Perfect. So, yep. That's it, guys. Alright. I hope you have a good one. I am sorry that I goofed up a little bit too much in here. But, yeah. Peace out.